Tracy with All Things Applique. Today we're going to teach you how to create a name design using our brand new Frosted Applique Alphabet. So today we're going to do the name Abigail. So we're going to first start by clicking up here on Create Letters. Then we come down here into the text box and we're going to type in Abigail. And now we want to pick our font. So we're going to scroll up here to Frosted Snowflake or to Frosted Applique Alphabet. Zigzag 3-inch. So there's our name, but it doesn't have any snowflakes. And I am going to just rotate one of these eyes so they aren't quite going the same direction and maybe nudge a few letters around. Okay, so now that I have my name the way that I want it, we're going to add some snowflakes. Now before I do that, I suggest looking at our Frosted Snowflakes BX Guide cheat sheet. This is going to be located in your zip folder. And what this does is it tells you which letter you want to hit in Embrilliance in order to populate your design with some of these snowflakes. So these typically go from 1 inch to 1.5 inch, 2 inch, 2.5 inch to 3 inch. So say I wanted to use this 1.5 inch snowflake, I would type the letter G. So let's go back to Embrilliance and let's create a new layer. And we're going to type in the letters today, capital B, capital G, capital L, lowercase h, and Q. And then I'm going to come down to this drop-down box, and I'm going to pick the ATA Frosted Snowflakes. And there we go. There are snowflakes. But I don't want them all right there. We want to move them around. And I also want to change the color so we can kind of see it contrast with the name a little bit. So I'm going to change it to a lavender. And then we want to picture these snowflakes kind of hidden behind some of these letters. Okay, so I'm just going to move them around until I have them where I want them. These are going to stitch before the name. So picture some of these stitches hidden by some of your applique fabric. It's really going to create this fun kind of three-dimensional look that some snowflakes are falling behind the name and some are falling on top of it. But right now you can see that the snowflakes are on top of the name, which isn't what we want for this layer. So we're going to go up here to our object box. We're going to right click on that layer and click Move Earlier. And now you can see that the name stitches are stitching on top of the snowflakes. But I'm still not done quite yet. I want to add more snowflakes because when it snows, I want there to be a lot of snow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add those same letters that we just used, which will essentially create 2 of each of those snowflakes. But I'm going to reverse order. So that way this snowflake is going to be on the other end, this snowflake is going to be over here, so they're not kind of all right on top of each other looking the same. So this time I'm going to do lowercase q, lowercase h, and then I'm going to do G, B, L. And I'm going to hit enter, and there we go. So there we have our new snowflakes that are going to be on top. But again, I want to change the color so we can see the contrast. So let's just go up and let's just find, how about a green, just so we can see the contrast easily. And now you just want to move these these snowflakes to where they are. Whoops, I clicked the wrong button. Let's get that fixed up. Okay, so you keep moving these snowflakes around until you get them where you want them. And that is basically it. Once you have the snowflakes where you want them, you are ready to stitch. So for simplicity today, I did a bunch of snowflakes on one layer and these would all use the same thread color. But you could easily just add one at a time. Let's see, let's add in a C here. And so there's a big one and it could be a different color if you wanted it to be. We could add another one that's maybe, let's say, a lowercase b. I don't know what these are. I'm just kind of playing around. So there's that guy. So you could also come in and do them one at a time and then change your color so they're going to all stitch in different colors. So now that you see how to kind of stitch or set up your file so you're ready to send it to your machine, our wonderfully talented Delaney has stitched one of these for us and sent us some videos, so you're going to get to watch her bring one of these to life with her magic. So thanks for watching. Y'all let us know if you have any questions.